Dele Alli. We're going to teach you how to do the Dele Alli celebration. So, just first of all, try and do it. Okay. See what you can do. You ready? 3, 2, 1. What are you looking like? Okay, so we're going to start like this. Like make a, kind of like a P with your hands. So let's do it like that. Beautiful. Let's make that knuckle straight there. Right, P. Perfect. Put it down to the ground.
Yep.
Okay, then you flip it up. Yep, kind of same. Make sure that knuckle's straight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Kind of similar.
How do you straighten your knuckle?
Just make it like this, everyone. This is what we're doing. Just making the knuckle straight, and then you flip it up. Kind of like you're doing this. Yes. Okay. No. But make that knuckle. Like that, and then you're going to flip it back round. So you're like this, and then you're going to go, and then it comes back round. So your 3 fingers should be on your forehead, like this. Your thumb round on the top of your eye. So the thumb needs to be on the top of your eye. So put your 3 fingers. Yes. Okay. Your finger's going to stay there, like this.
But my thumb's not at the top.
I know, because you need to bend it all the way round. Like this, keep that finger up there. I think I'm going to break your hand. And then just hold. Can you see? So let's do it again. Recap. Make the P. Make the P. Flip it round. Put it on your head. And then create the eye. Sophie's still at stage 1, but I believe that you guys at home can do the Dele Alli celebration. So one time, we'll start from the beginning. Dele Alli. Pow. Oh no.